Good morning, guys. It is now 24 hours since I started this test strategy using the 1 minute time frame scalping on Cryptohopper, and I wanted to bring you the results after, let me see, how many hours. In 20 minutes it will be 24 hours exactly. So it's done okay. It's not made as much profit as I would have liked. It's only made 0.27%. I could have made more if I had more open positions, perhaps maybe 15 positions instead of 10, and maybe setting the profits at more than 1.05%. As you can see in the past 5 results here, we've got more than 1.05 on most of the trades. That's because of the slippage that I was talking about yesterday. And let's have a look at all the trade history. As you can see here, if I scroll right down to the bottom, that's the first trade yesterday. And it was ADA Cardano. And it was at 11:20, which is 23 hours and 40 minutes ago. Alright, so in almost 24 hours, let's just scroll up to the top. How many sales has it made? 1, 2, let me just view by result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Alright, not too bad, not too bad. Not enough profit for my liking. So how would I tweak this strategy? Alright, let me see what I would change. Now you have to look at yesterday's video, obviously, to find out how to set up this, but make these tweaks. Kind of incrementally bump things up a little bit. Alright, so first I would, where's the sell settings? Alright, I would maybe go for 1.5% and click on save there. Buy settings, maybe increase this to 15. Click on save there. Positive pairs time frame, maybe give it 30 minutes, so it's trending upwards on the 30-minute time frame. And perhaps choose more coins. However, this being a paper trading bot on my cheapest subscription, which is the Explorer plan, it's only allowed 15 coins. Let's have a look. If I click on save, it will probably give me a warning. There, look. However, with other plans you're allowed 50 coins or 75 coins. Alright, so let me remove that one that I've just added. Where was it? Which one was it? I'm not even sure. However, I'll take out something. Stellar. Okay, ontology, I'll take that one out. Okay, so save that. Something just beeped there. Hope you can still hear me. Hope it wasn't my mic. And my mic's working. Okay, now what else could I change? I could switch on the trailing stop loss, and I could put that to 1.5. This would override this one here. Alright, so you could, if you're going to switch on the trailing stop loss, you could say, right, well I want to put 10% in there, just in case. Click save there. Go back to trailing stop loss. Set that up at 1.5 with a 1.5 in there, 0.25. I think it's actually my keyboard that's my mouse. Bloody mouse is good. USB ports. Alright, hope you can still hear me. Alright, so I've got 1.5, I'm the trailing stop loss, so if it drops 0.25 it sells. So this here could theoretically go up to like 100% in profit, as long as any drop is not more than 0.25. That's not going to happen. You always have it. Nothing goes up in a straight line, guys. But this will try and catch as much of a pump as possible. Now obviously if we just put this at 10% with a 0.25 drop, then it would get activated at 10% profit, and if your coin, your crypto, went down to 9.75%, it would then sell. Alright, but this being a high speed scalping strategy kind of thing, it's going to take ages, possibly even days or weeks for something to get 10% in some circumstances. Really depends on how bullish Bitcoin is. So in my experience, I have found that going for those little snippets of profit, but lots of them, it works better than going for just a few big profits, if you get my meaning. Alright, so I'm going to put that back to 1.5, and then I'm going to save that. And that is how I would tweak that. Now, obviously, I'm going to delete this bot soon, because I'm going to try a 5-minute scalping strategy in my next video. And tomorrow, after 24 hours, I want to give the results of that 5-minute strategy. So that is basically how I would tweak this strategy, and possibly even tomorrow I would need to tweak the 5-minute trading strategy. But should be a new video coming soon on the 5-minute trading strategy, and I'll bring the results 24 hours after. And then after that we'll do a 15-minute. Why not? Okay. So would I, if I was to run this strategy for the next 24 hours and see how it does based on these new tweaks, yeah, I should expect it to do a little bit better if Bitcoin keeps going up. You know, Bitcoin can always dump any minute, you know that, yeah. Which is a good point, actually. I wanted to say any strategy can work incredibly well depending on Bitcoin and the whole crypto market as a whole. If it's all going up, pumping for weeks and weeks, then any strategy will do quite well. However, any strategy will suffer if Bitcoin goes on a big dump. Any strategy, doesn't matter what strategy you've got. So I mean, some people recommend using stop loss for that eventuality if Bitcoin goes on a big crash, and yeah, there's pros and cons to that. So yeah, what I was saying about this strategy, if I wanted to tweak it again tomorrow, which I'm not going to do because I'm going to delete this bot, if I wanted to tweak it again, I would probably, pop that up to maybe 1.75%. Yeah, and where else? Maybe add 20 positions. Yeah, I kind of just a smidgen, and maybe I would change the cooldown period to 30 minutes. Things like that, just little tiny tweaks, not changing it. It would be like imagine you have a stereo system and you're playing some music and you've got the volume at 2. If you want it just a slightly bit louder to find the sweet spot, you wouldn't switch the volume knob up to 100% straight away, would you? You'd put it up to 3, and then if that's not good enough, you'd put it up to 4. That's what you're doing here, just tweaking it up a little bit to see where the sweet spot is. Alright, and also this strategy is not using a dollar cost averaging auto DCA. Okay, so anyway, put that back to 5 like I said I was going to do it. Click on save. Alright, so back to the dashboard. So those new settings are now active. So this here should have changed from 1.05 to the new setting of 1.5 like I changed it to. Alright. Okay, so back to here. Stop loss. It's probably activated the trailing stop loss already at 1.05 and it's come down, so it's probably going to sell any second now. Alright, so that is that, guys. Not too impressed with the settings as I had it. Could have been better, therefore I've tweaked it. So it's made, as you can see there, it's made $2.73 in 24 hours from $1,000. Not that good. I would, you know, the perfect nice round number is about 1% per day. Okay, my mouse has failed. I can't move my mouse now. That's the bleeping from the computer there. Let's I've used my other mouse. I've got 2 plugged in. That's not working either. Anyway, so all that being said, I'm gonna delete this bot, and in my next video, which I'll probably upload in a couple of hours, I will show you the 5-minute scalping strategy. Alright, so remember guys, just do small little tweaks to your bot. Don't change too much all at once, because you could get wrecked. Yeah. Oh yeah, if you want the secret sauce videos free, click the link below the video, sign up for Cryptohopper through my link. Let me know on Skype. I'm also creating a new Telegram channel where we can all get together and help each other with the bot. Instead of me helping people one-on-one all the time, it would be more helpful if there was a group of us all learning about Cryptohopper, tweaking things together, sharing our results, and things like that. If that sounds cool to you, let me know via Skype. There is a link below. Just click that top link. In fact, let me find it for you. Alright, it's there. Alright, all my videos there. There you go. Click on the link. That will bring you to this page here. Alright, watch this quick little video. Alright, if you haven't got Binance, get through my link. I'd appreciate that. No extra cost to you. And TradingView also. And there's Cryptohopper link. So when you click on this, after watching this video, watch out in the URL. Watch what happens with the URL. You will see my referral link. 15412. Are you watching? Up here. And then it disappears. That's normal. Alright? That means you're under my link. Alright guys, so good talking to you. I will delete this bot, set up the new 5-minute scalping strategy. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share on your social media if you want to be extra helpful. And hopefully I'll see you soon in Skype and in the Telegram, and we'll help you get set up with your bot. Click the link down below, guys. See you later. Take it easy. Bye bye.